narrow tricep push-ups. So your hands are gonna come right out in front of you. Do this with me, okay? Hands are out in front of you. Just directly right in line with your shoulders, right? Not up here, not down here. Right in front of you. You're gonna take those fingertips and turn them out just slightly so your thumbs are lined up with your shoulders. Notice how my elbows stay in nice and close and they're touching my ribs. So with a narrow tricep push-up, you're working your triceps back here, rather than whereas with a wide arm push-up, you're working into your shoulders, your chest, your biceps. And of course, with push-ups, you're always working your entire core as well. With the tricep push-ups, it's narrow, it's close, your elbows are grazing your ribs, and it's working this muscle, guys, right here. You know this one? So, let's do these properly in order to work those, okay? Let me move this stuff. So once again, hands are out in front. Fingertips are slightly turned out. You're gonna set them right down. They're narrow, they're close. They're just in line with your shoulders, directly underneath your shoulders. Not too far out here, not too far back here either. Right here, thumbs are lined up with the shoulders, fingertips are out. This forces your elbows to stay in by your rib cage. Once again, that belly button is up and into your spine. Booty is tucked down and in. Shoulders are pressed in. Okay, chest is pressed up, shoulders are pressed in. Rather than falling into it here, you're pushing up and away, engaging the entire midsection. You inhale, drop. You exhale, push it up. Inhale, drop. Elbows should be touching your ribs. Your body does not touch the ground. To lessen that, to modify it a little bit more, you shorten your range of motion. This is not an easy move, guys. The triceps are a little muscle, and you're carrying your entire body weight just on there. Now, maybe you've mastered these, or you're getting really good at them, so you pop up onto your toes. Once again, booty is down, belly's up and in. You inhale, drop. Exhale, push it up. Inhale, exhale on the most exerted amount of force the entire time your elbows are in. If you cannot execute the full tricep push-up on your toes with your elbows touching your ribs, you need to take your knees. Maybe even on your knees, it's a bit too much. What do? You come on over to a bench, a chair, a sturdy chair that's probably up against a wall. You put your hands right on there, fingertips are out. Booty is down, belly is up and in, shoulders are away from your ears. You're gonna inhale, drop, exhale, push it up. Inhale, drop, exhale, push it up, keeping your body in one straight line the entire time. Maybe you need a little bit more of a modification. These are all buildable. This is not an easy move. You take it over to the wall. Hands here, fingertips go out. Elbows stay in nice and tight, and you push it away. Inhale, exhale. Make it a little bit easier here for you. You just decrease that, you shorten that lever, right? Walk your feet in closer. Notice my elbows are in nice and tight. Right here, the whole time. You don't want your elbows going out here, it becomes a wide arm push-up. You work here, you work this muscle. Get it, guys?